On a cool evening, a car was attacked and hostages were taken. A tense search began. Police cars quickly arrived, but it was not easy to find traces. Will the rescue team be able to save them in time? Our heroes are on their way to rescue the hostages. Let's go! Go, 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 go! As soon as the kidnappers' car sped past, police planes took to the sky, searching from above, while police cars stopped and checked every corner. Ambulances and fire trucks assisted in taking the damaged vehicle to the rescue headquarters for mechanical repairs caused by the thief. The kidnapper knew he was being chased, so he drove the car into a remote area where there were not many people around. But things were not as easy as he thought. At this time, the police plane detected the sound of a car. The police car immediately received the command and began to chase after the new traces. Thanks to the excellent coordination between the police helicopter and the police car, the hostage was eventually rescued safely, and the kidnapper was immediately arrested.
Yay!
Whoa, look at him!
No, God! Yay!
garbage truck cleaning adventure in the city. Monster truck gets a flat tire.
Hours later.
Giant bubbles on the sea! A peaceful morning under the ocean. Subby swims happily among colorful fish. Oh wow, he looks so excited! Wait a minute, what's that? A giant pearl? Or a huge bubble? Oh my goodness, it's getting bigger! Even bigger! And now it's larger than Subby! Oh no! The bubble's floating up! Subby's being lifted with it! Watch out! There's a pod of dolphins ahead! Bounce! Bounce! Ah! The bubble's going to burst! Oh no! Subby's falling! Splash! Ha 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 ha! And off goes Subby again, this time with a tiny bubble on his head. Who would have guessed? The beach treasure discovery.
Let's go!
wouldn't rest. Late afternoon, traffic thins at a small intersection. The traffic light keeps switching colors. Night falls. The road is quiet. Everything seems asleep.
Huh? Ha!
The traffic light flickers rapidly. Red, yellow, green, too fast.
Okay, let's go!
The traffic light finally gets some rest.